Hey girl, hey. How's it going? I'm here with my two boys on the Columbia River on the dike. It looks like that. There's a river. And so thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a view as I chat. All right, guys, come on, let's walk. So if you're watching me live, say sunshine in the comments. Loving the sunshine. If you are watching the replay, go ahead and put fun in the sun. Again, just something to do because it's cute. So we come out today after work, and God, my dogs wouldn't let us out of the house. My dogs are bad. So then two of them got in the garage and got in the car, and it took us half hour just to be able to get out of the house, guys. I'm not kidding. So we have some dogs that think they're human, and holy crapola. So before I show you the poo-poo pools, I wanted to let you know that we have Farmasi has cut their starter kit in half. It's half price through the end of the month, and it's $9.90, guys. And if you were thinking, or if you've been watching me, were thinking about joining me, now's your time. You can't lose. And you get a kit with samples, with bags, catalog, and so again, you can try out the product with that, and that buys you 50% discount off of everything. And well, anything, you know, again, not on like business tools, but and then also 50% commission, so whatever you sell. So come join me. Even if you just want to try it, I'll show you how to do it. It's not hard, and yeah, you have to be brave, and you got to come out of your shell. But you know, if you're building someone else's business, build your own business. I'm building my own business because I want to run my own freedom. I want my own financial freedom, my own time freedom. So, and I love beauty. I love beauty products. I feel wonderful when I put makeup on. It helps my self-esteem, and then I help others. I'm doing this, so okay, thank you. So then I help others beautify themselves and get their skin in check, so they have that self-esteem as well. So come join me. You can't lose for $9.90. Just get in my inbox or just comment info below, and we'll get that to you. Here, I'm going to show you this. This is one reason that I don't drink from a faucet. Okay? So we are on the dike for the Columbia River, and right alongside it, I'm going to show you, check this out, it's gross, are the crap pools, the poo-poo pools. And I think it's like a water treatment plant, guys, but there's Mount Hood, but no, that's just, we can smell that. I can't smell it right now. I don't know why we came this way, because I want to walk and I need mileage, but yeah, that's dookie water, guys. Holy crapola. So I think that I see soap in there and like shiny little bubbles, but is that just not like yucky? That is a water treatment plant for like our city. So yikes. There's Mount Hood, and this is kind of like, that's SR 14 right there in Washington. It goes along the Columbia Gorge all the way through to Tri-Cities, through White Salmon and Carson, Hood River. That goes east to west, and it's a gorgeous drive. You get all the mountain view, and the terrain changes because it gets deserty several miles down the road. The climate or the terrain changes. But there is Mount Hood, and we've got the Columbia River and Reese, and we can't forget Reese. But there's a boat out there. This is probably not the greatest view. That's like an island in the middle, and then there's more river on the other side, and then back there where you see the taller mountain, that's Oregon. I call it Oregon because that's just what I call it. But oh, there's a biker coming. So again, this is more like the industrial area of Washougal. You see down there, it's just kind of like some standing water, and then right down there there's like a big, I could see the current right past those logs sticking up, and a boat. Yeah, so I just wanted to come on and let you know about our, again, pharmacies getting their starter kits on sale, which has never happened before. Farmacy's 2 years old here in the US. They've never had their starter kit on sale. Also, they're coming out with 4 new products, I hear. One of them is a resurfacing skin line, guys. I definitely have textured skin, and I can't wait to try the resurfacing skin product. I think it's coming July 1st, so keep a watch. Hang on one moment here. Some people walking by. Okay, but say hey if you are hopping on. Again, show me some love. The more love you give me, the more Facebook shows my videos. So again, what else do I got here? Oh, the resurfacing skin line, guys. Yes, and they're also rebranding a lot of the products. So right now they have 2 bundles, the Lumi Radiance bundle and the Age Reverses bundle that has the serum, the cleanser, moisturizer. I think that's right. But I mean, those are like significantly discounted. If you go to the link in my bio, or I can post it below. Again, significant discount. They're rebranding those products. So, and I'm thinking that July 1st, that's going to happen. But there was only 2,500 bundles. So get yours today and check it out. Also, I'd love to get you some samples. I'd love to give you a catalog. And thanks for watching. So just a brief little live today. So ciao.